Steal my ChatGPT prompt so you can pay off your debt just like I'm about to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is your favorite nurse yogi, Lesline. I know I don't be talking about money, right? There's a reason. Your girl's in debt, but I'm getting better. I'm acknowledging that debt. I'm praying over the debt, but let's get into this ChatGPT prompt. So what the prompt is, and I'm going to pop it right here for you to steal it, like really take it, okay? And I don't want y'all to know all my business, so that's why some of the stuff is bleeped out. I need to put this in as well, and you can screenshot this, please. It says, I have a credit limit of, and I want you to put, what is your credit card limit? If you've maxed it out, I see you, I feel you, I am you, with an interest rate of, and then you put your interest rate. I didn't even put my rate because anyway, that's neither here nor there, but I put the dollar amount of like what the interest rate is dollar wise. I currently owe, and put what you currently owe. My monthly bill is due on the 8th of each month, and the monthly statement, because those are two different things, comes out on the 14th of each month. How can I pay this credit card to boost my credit score? So use that prompt, and as always, please reach out to a financial advisor. This is not like, I am not a financial advisor, but I just wanted to help you out there if you are very similar to me and you got some money trauma going on, but we doing better, we being better, right? And we're tackling it at hand. So here's to you, because we gonna pay one credit card at least by the end of this year.